What's going on, fellas? I've got here a 2000 Toyota Corolla, and I'm using this car to show you how to change your headlights. I have another video about the fuses and the relays for the headlights, so check that out if you need help with that. Now, looking on the back here, this is where we'll get started. The first step for you to do is to disconnect the electrical connection. So you do that by wiggling it. Sometimes it can get stuck on there pretty good, but you basically wiggle it from side to side as you pull backwards. And go ahead and inspect the pins to see if they're free of corrosion or if they're burnt. I have seen issues where you can have a perfectly good headlight bulb, but if your connector is bad, then the lights won't come on. Now, with the connector out of the way, there's this protective boot that we have to remove. And I'm telling you, they can be stuck on there pretty good. So a lot of times, if you can't pull it off by hand, you need to get some pliers on there. And you just pull back. It will come out. And you set that aside. Now, to remove the bulb, there's a wire clip here. The move on this is to basically push it in and then rotate it up. So you can see here, pushing it in and then allowing it to come out. At this point, you just grab the bulb and pull it out. Now, this is an H4 bulb. And when you install your new bulb, you're going to want to be sure to not touch the glass. Touching the glass can lead to premature failure. So installing the new bulb, it can only go in the one way because of the pins here, the slots. So you line it up, get it pushed all the way in. At that point, you can swivel the wire back into position and lock it in place. At this point, you can reinstall your protective boot. Push that in, make sure it's fully seated. And the final step is to just push the connector back in there. And you can apply dielectric grease to the connector as well. This can help for the connector to last longer. So yeah, I hope this information was helpful for you. And like I said, please check my other video if you've changed your bulbs but you're still having issues with your lights not coming on.